Don't be ngayani emotional ngabono nga usinga kinga bono nga okare nga nyegitu mintu mucho korera kanalo na reka no mintu. Why not? What has he done for you? You tell me. He's not been here, he left, went, and now he has come, he's telling you he's Jesus Christ. Is he Jesus Christ? No. I can assure you, if you don't get the right procedures, the right programs, he will come and go and you will remain the way you are. That's why we take people to State House. Abantu mbali mutanyaka na Nairobi. Wana imagine nga kwa ule na nkaa paka wachini paka State House. Abantu tekara bali bale ngomba kwirito. Baba irito was no one made State House. Baba irito. Kwa kwani bale ngino kwa kwai. Una zote na askari baraka abantu muamete yani utaikianga. Lakini into asenge njitomanya ine na ongo bara rendinga. Usawa na mbomata. Ono mkonyero mwako nenjinjenda tebintu byane ndale teka. Ono na aso. It is a pity because you know in mwena tukaya abantu wetu a direction. True or false? Then you mislead them. You mislead our parents, telling them things that are not true. Ekara tu achiteko to break the ground. Ili tu achorire chibesi cha sokire, everything is ready. Toko ruo tu shukuri lunch. Nalingo tabiunga by election nekolteki. Wikarasa no mwako huyo ukurukuwa menyi. Itai mahali. Mwaka na uguli chikora. Ukwana na unakuwa na. Uguli chikora 20 years. Kanya wabaraki. In fact, the last time he missed by 3. Was it 3 votes? Was it 1.5? Nkumanya kunyoranga nenchi na abuli chikura matuko. Nenchi na astikubuli 2007. Ingichana nyora abantu mnaba. Numura wange. Wante inga nae weka. Noso mete. Haro sije program. Chico chikubarua. Amenya. Ugamba. Amenya. Wale wana chico piki. 2007, 2013, 2017, 2020 tunga chikubuli ubu deputy governor. Tukakumuzina simba pake kachichora. So mwaka ulia karanga kumwa buga. Kiange mwaka oye miaka ibere nenusu. Kiana era mogotua na ye miaka ibere nenusu no mwate miaka oye. So we did 2.5. Akandora mabe. So ekarnate karo mwaka onene nga una ukwana. Ngwe unataba. Na ngumuswati ulia tiriroje. Na mwale inuni inu abanyine. Mwale ko nganja kuso. Ngamwanja sana. Ngamote I'm going to support you. That's why I've come here today. Kubasaba inuchi intelect chiri tangani. Tura iwana na inu. It is just 2 years. Chikolteki. Moko mongera 2.5. Kumuli onena rumu mwete 2.5 abu unanche. Ngomongera mwete 2.5. Because you know, ba friend chikule chicha menya. Una 2027 tu. Toikere 2027. Bali muteke 2027 mucha. Who's you usingo na mule sawa. Are you not going to be around? Then we will gauge, tell you. Yo. At least I mean to make things very clear na ibis na jabuli chikule. Irachi kirindi toki na tuli aseba. Kayo tuti. Mwe wonu bi nani bitu bya kwa entali ayo monye ne pati udo monye na awara tebe nga ikaraga nyake what will we do inungo bod mara na wangeni. You have to think what will happen if you find that we are not there. Na iga tuasaliri tuaseli. Kiwa nutugo chirendele. Hata where siko 7 years. Paka 2032. Njino MCS education. Talo. Abananga koraki. We have reduced the university fees. Lero mwana university yako kana shilingi 5,800 mpaka 75,000 depending na kusikia koraki. Gumano na ba koraki akosoma. Ine ngento yakole kana mundaka baletiki. To aletire policy rengi ingi. That's what we want from this government and it's doing it. So stop these stories. Ngomongo no yomini. Da waboli riswali elimo. Mbare kamole gamu wetu matatu. Usenga kana Nairobi. Okay, gamba example. Uratwale gari. Basi kwenda Nairobi. Anu bate brother yao ule ntereba. Talibo. No mogere naro ule ntereba. Talibo. Ekero ko brother yao gari ire Nairobi. Ekara wika Nairobi awa kare simi otenge kare kama imayo nyasa leka ndomere chibese ndose. Yani no te bese nchiaro osia ama utakuwa weta ire na ndata kitebese ndio koro. Kila lituko. Wako mogere kaya Nairobi otenga mzee nimetengeneza 25,000. Ndaweka mafuta 5,000 ama 10,000 nirudi tena nitakuletea hii 20 na nikuje na ile nyingine. Ngora ile aliye. No, you intellectuals tell me. Will you give? Yeah? Utapea nani? Let us be realistic. Dago kila kono ngora mwabe ngama. The Moko is not telling you the truth that you are free. You are not free to vote in idiots. You are not free. I refuse. That's not democracy. You use your intellect. Vote the right people. Because yes. These ones may not. But you, I can't forgive you. So, my brothers and sisters, get a call to Konya. Tell you, to chora bandawa. Mundu na wewe umino. Mutawi na tutakutafutia kitu ngine. Maybe he's good at teaching. Let him go to class and teach biology. Tell you, he cannot lead because he's been there. Yani mtu yetu. And that's a problem. Wazo mwaka naruka na ganga lera bantu bakulu kuchinyumba. That is wrong. The right thing is that if you are qualified, you should get a job. Tell you. Kusema. Akiara mungu naruka na ga. Tanya ukwani mheshimiwa. Inungo ikara mono mheshimiwa. Mama taingegeni. Uyutanya kumwikera. Ndera kwani. So let us be fair. Let us have policies choking now and across the board. And that's what William Ruto has done. There is no way in God's big world Migosi Ogamba would have become a waziri. Remember, Naiga and to watch Kubuka and Migosi waziri. I'm the Koyoken God. Yarwit. It's a new. And how I live with Twiru. Chinachili take a Parajawi Karazaga.